My name is Ben10k, and I command experiences. Experiences are really what defines your overall perception of the world. What you bring to the table as an artist is your own unique perspective, and how are you going to gain that perspective if you're just sitting in the same room all day? I would write verses every day in class in high school, like with no beat, and that's like really how I got good at rapping, was like just writing every day. I didn't go to parties, I didn't do anything, I was just making music. I like being a student at the same time, honestly. It gives me more structure. But me personally, I like the stability of waking up at a certain time every day, having that routine, going to school, doing homework for X amount of time, and getting it done before the due date so I can focus on my music. I don't even believe in the concept of like dreams. Fuck dreams, set goals. You know what I mean? I would say that it's like 80% work, 20% play. You don't start out as the big dog, you know what I'm saying? You gotta be the intern first. I see myself in 10 years as like a mogul, man. Like I really wanted to get into business. I've been like an entrepreneur, like I used to flip silly bands in middle school. I want people to think of Ben10k, just mastery, like just creativity and like a all-inclusive vision, like not limited to one medium, not limited to one sound, not limited to anything, you know what I mean, just boundless.